guys because that video I just testing that because if you get sad from the comments because I can make a video because that was a joke because I'm gonna testing. Yep, I'm gonna test. Because I got my goggles and swimsuit. We got Amber here. Hello, Amber. I can put my goggles on. This is correct. Wow. I got goggles. Because I just need this because I got drowned. Yeah. Because if we get there, because that's the video ends because I want to swim. Yep. Because if my phone is basa, wet, it's broken. What? Yeah. Gonna need this first. Wait. But this was because we got today is my birthday. Today is my birthday, guys. Wait, Amber. Hello. Got Amber and my Amber's mom is my name is Joy. Manang Joy. Because we got my brother died. That's Amber's dad, my brother. Okay, what do you say? What are you saying? Ooh, kisaw! Because we're gonna go to the because we're gonna go to the Barangay Tango, Bacolod City because we're gonna off this. Let's off the switch. Plumber. Bring out, yay! My bell. Because I'm here in my old room. This is our old room because it was placed to upstairs. Let's hear it. Smell it. Because we're gonna let's go to the motorcycle, guys. Let's go. We are in outside now, guys. We got my manang. Oh my God! That's my poopy. Guys, let's touch the freaking poops. Touch the poop right there. Right there. Yep. And we're gonna wait for my brother. We're gonna wait. Okay, my brother is here. Where did you the brother? Tayo ka ba parking ta? Tayo. Open?
Dili sila?
Hello!
Ay, pa. Ang bagay, rasa Diyos real, ang cake, karanda.
Nakulat sila, nanay Diyos kay bakula.
Iya.
Ay pa? Ang cake sa likod niya or dire? Oo, hindi lang.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Mangita rin. Nandito ko to.
Okay. Wait. Okay, we are in the car, guys.
Bye-bye.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys.
Let's go.
Morning, Ayay. I'm morning. I'm morning.
Ayan, okay, this is my cake. Yay.
Maya sa.
Wala mo na.
Maya sa.
Atol sa kuning sandali. Salang sa maaway ka tagol ka. Pero pa sa tao, di ba?
Lagaw naman ta. Lagaw naman ta.
Oy.
Lagaw naman ayo. Mama.
Mana.
Kasunod.
Mama. Oh, di may cake ka man na. Sisiling mula ka cake. Ito na eh.
Ano na?
Tatlong bulupong ko kasandig ka man. Cake na yan. Siling mula ka cake. May cake ka man gali.
Okay na sa?
Nagambal ka mo. Nagambal ka. Hindi ko ka pwede. Kambal ka sa kabunan.
Oh, tika may kinakahingagaw sila si Manong Toto nagbay. Tiway ka nag-thank you kay Manong.
Thank you, Manang Tuta.
Kay Manong Grace pa.
Thank you, Manang guys.
Wala din cake. Si Ayad naman sabak.
Oo, gali. Dali na pulot sa disa.
Bakit na?
Dali na din nga. Dali na di, dali na.
Ha? Hindi sa bako na niya.
Buli, aya.
Yeah.
Agad! Agad ka na! Okay.
Pego pa sa mga silit.
Ikaw kapyot.
Tabi.
Ikaw kapyot niya. Ikaw na. Hindi na siya. Ibutang sa imo
Sige, be.
sa head mo.
Ay, bulutangan tubi pala. Ibutang sa may bulutangan tubi.
Oo. Daon lang.
Hindi Kaigo na sa Ay, meron to.
Oo, damo. Damo si Binilibin.
Oh.
Oh, isipon ka lang ga. Ay, may tissue ka da, Grace. Sakit.
Isundan niya ko.
Papa. Sa likod.
Pagsuwi.
Ang orange. Di-di-di-di-di-ding. Di-di-di-di-di-di-ding.
Grasya ba ito?
Di-di-di-di-di-ding.
Okay guys, we are here now.
Yung
In the resort.
ganda po, na yung slippers ni Ay.
Damo pa.
Adamo?
Okay. Dili gawin.
Tuta yung slippers.
Hindi ko ka. Oh my God.
Damo li yung chinila si Aya yan.
Ari lang mama.
Magi na.
Ang go down na dayon. Kipra ka go down si Wawa.
Ah. Down na lang ka. Down na.
Bakit dito bumbuklat?
Down na. Ay, ang tubig niya yan.
Why na ba bumbuklat?
Tubig niya yan.
Wait!
Amo na.
Yan lang ka.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay, si Belba. Okay. Butterfly!
Wait lang. Wait lang pala si Wawa.
May big butterfly!
Ari pa di gani si Wawa.
Karamo! May shower! May shower! Shower?
Wait si Wawa.
Oo, shower! Para sa mama shower!
Wow.
Baby, Dada!
Mag-break
Malantaw ka mo dada. Iniwawa ho.
Tama lang, tama. Let's go. Coca-Cola!
Dali lang.
Bongkok lang!
Dali lang.
Ako, malanta ko ba? Hindi ko yan, hindi ko. Oh my God. Ano sa simple? Oh my God, there's a pool. Yup. What the? May pool. Oh, may pool man din. Wala, may pool. Oh. May dalom. Salo. Okay, let's go balik.
Ay, babe, mahulog kami ba? Wow!
Okay, let's go. Because, guys, I need to pause this video because we're gonna be eating first. And I'm gonna post some videos. Name, swimming. Yep, swimming. Okay. Okay, let's go. Because I forgot, guys. I forgot.
No, sila lang ito ka tikang
First. Oh my God, I am lipating. Okay, this is the end, guys. Bye bye.